Required tools: 45 degrees triangle, knife, scissors, ruler, erasable marker. First, use a ruler to measure the size of the photo frame. Second, according to the measurement results, cut the imitation plaster decorative strips of appropriate length. Third, use a 45 degrees triangle to mark the imitation plaster self-adhesive decorative strips, and use a marker to mark them. Fourth, according to the marks, accurately cut the edges of the decorative strips. Fifth, tear off the backing film from the cut decorative strips, align the corners and stick them directly onto the photo frame. Follow me to share more ways to use PVC imitation plaster strips.